The battlefield is evolving. Gone are the days of massive ground troops and lumbering tanks. The future of warfare is faster, smarter, and more interconnected than ever before. This is where AirL.A.D.S AI-ready laser-armed drone swarm takes center stage. These aren't your average drones, they're a revolution in military might, a game-changer that promises to redefine the very essence of combat. Imagine a swarm of drones, each armed with pinpoint-accurate lasers, moving with coordinated precision. They weave through the air, acting as one, their AI brains processing information at lightning speed. This is AirL.A.D.S in action. They're not just weapons, they're an intelligent network, capable of adapting to any situation, any terrain, any enemy. AirL.A.D.S represent a paradigm shift in military technology. They're not just about firepower, they're about information dominance, about making split-second decisions that can turn the tide of battle. They're about keeping our warfighters safe and ensuring victory in the face of ever-evolving threats. The true power of AirL.A.D.S lies in their ability to operate as a single, cohesive unit. Each drone is equipped with advanced AI, allowing them to communicate and coordinate with each other in real time. This creates a swarm intelligence that can adapt to changing circumstances on the battlefield, making them incredibly versatile and unpredictable. These drones aren't just intelligent, they're lethal. Each one is armed with a high-powered laser, capable of taking out enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy. This precision minimizes collateral damage and ensures that only the intended targets are neutralized. But AirL.A.D.S are more than just a swarm of laser-equipped drones. They're designed to integrate seamlessly with existing military systems and Warfytr AI's strategic vision of their WASP and H.I.V.E. networks. This allows for a level of coordination and data sharing that was previously unimaginable, creating a truly unified and responsive force. AirL.A.D.S don't operate in isolation. They're part of a larger ecosystem of advanced military technology that Warfytr AI is building, working in tandem with systems like WASP, Warfytr AI Swarm Protocol, and H.I.V.E, Harmonized Intelligence for Victory Empowerment. WASP provides real-time battlefield intelligence, feeding critical data to the AirL.A.D.S swarm. This data includes enemy positions, movements, and even potential threats hidden from sight. H.I.V.E takes this data and creates a 3D virtual environment, allowing commanders to visualize the battlefield with unprecedented clarity. This immersive experience enables them to make informed decisions, directing the AirL.A.D.S swarm with strategic precision. The synergy between AirL.A.D.S, WASP, and H.I.V.E creates a powerful force multiplier. It's not just about having advanced technology, it's about using that technology in a coordinated and intelligent way to achieve strategic objectives. AirL.A.D.S redefine the concept of strategic supremacy. Their ability to operate autonomously, adapt to changing situations, and strike with precision gives them a significant advantage over traditional military forces. They can be deployed rapidly, cover vast areas, and engage multiple targets simultaneously, overwhelming the enemy with their speed and firepower. Imagine a scenario where enemy forces are attempting to advance on a strategic location. AirL.A.D.S can be deployed to intercept them, using their lasers to disable vehicles and disrupt their formations. Meanwhile, WASP provides real-time intelligence on enemy movements, allowing commanders to adjust the AirL.A.D.S tactics on the fly. This level of adaptability and responsiveness gives military commanders an unprecedented edge. They can react to threats instantly, neutralize enemy forces before they can pose a danger, and ultimately achieve victory with minimal risk to their own troops. AirL.A.D.S represent a new dawn in defense technology. They offer a glimpse into a future where wars are fought not by massive armies, but by intelligent machines capable of making life-or-death decisions in the blink of an eye. This may sound like science fiction, but it's the reality we're rapidly approaching. The implications of this technology are profound. AirL.A.D.S have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about warfare, shifting the focus from brute force to strategic intelligence and precision strikes. They can help to minimize casualties, both military and civilian, and ensure that conflicts are resolved quickly and decisively. AirL.A.D.S are not just about winning wars, They're about preventing them. Their very existence serves as a deterrent, a clear message to any potential aggressor that the cost of conflict is simply too high. They are the guardians of the future, ensuring the safety and security of nations in an ever-changing world. Visit us at Warfytr AI to learn more.